rolling around a bend and dying soon the sunshine. Since I don't know when, I'm stuck at Folsom Prison and time keeps dragging on. But a train keeps a-rolling on down the side of town. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, pretty much always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. That rich folks sitting in a fancy dining car, they probably drinking coffee and smoking a big cigar. But I know I had it coming, I know I can't be afraid. But those people keep moving, and that's what tortures me. If that trailer train was mine, I bet I'd move it on a little farther down the line, far from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. Then I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. Olha lá.